Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get two Instagram app on your smartphone. I'm not talking about Instagram Lite. Okay, so you can get your original Instagram app without any software and app. So how can you find this or how can you get this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. This is really gonna short tutorial for you. So now let's begin the tutorial. So go to your settings and this is my settings option. So find out app cloner. There is a important information for you. So it's may vary phone to phone because this option or this name is not available for every phone. I'm using Realme, that's why I'm seeing the name app cloner. So you can see your Samsung phone is dual messenger, or if you use any other phone, then it's like name duplicate messenger, duplicate app cloner, so something like that. You need to find this name, and after that click app cloner, and here you can see the option Instagram, this one, and you can do it all your install messenger and social media. Click on Instagram and click on this option here. Just make it turn on and minimize your settings and check it is it exist or not. And here you can see two different Instagram app on your device. It's really cool feature, I think. Here you can see this one and this one. So you can log into different account without any hesitation, without any problem. Okay friend, I think this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel and also give the like on the video, and if you face any problem let me know in comment below. And today is no my friend, and thank you for watching this tutorial.